In this video, we'll show you how to change the HVAC Blend Door Actuator on your Ford F-150. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Ford F-150 Car Battery. Open the driver door to give you easier access to the HVAC Blend Door Actuator. Disconnect the electrical connector. To do this, pull on the red tab and remove the connector. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using a ratchet and a Torx T20 socket, unscrew the two screws holding the actuator. Once unscrewed, you can remove the Blend Door Actuator from its slot. You can order the HVAC Blend Door Actuator used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new actuator. Put the Blend Door Actuator back in place. Screw the two holding screws back in. Plug the electrical connector back in and lock it. Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.